Nanggroe Aceh
Hai rakan hai waris mandung kurang lam Nanggroe nyonya udah mencedara Nanggroe bertajaga ada hukum kanun asam prosi padat besi taki ingon apui angin tanah asai di moput inase hai rakan hai waris mandung kurang lam Nanggroe nyonya udah mencedara Nanggroe bertajaga ada hukum kanun asam prosi padat besi taki ingon apui angin tanah asai di moput inase
Aceh. Nanggroe Aceh Darussalam is the westernmost province in Indonesia located at the northern tip of the island of Sumatra. Aceh could be nicknamed as the city of Mecca, the beauty of the earth, the beautiful and magnificent port of Mecca. Cultural exoticism, custom, ethnic diversity, and the diversity of dances and culinary areas of Aceh are the main attraction for foreign tourists to visit the land of Mecca. This is a beach haven left in Aceh.
Ratoh Jaroe dance is a new creation dance created by Yusri Saleh or Dek Gam, an artist from Aceh, in 2000. This dance originated from a sense of concern because when he first set foot in Jakarta, there was only one sitting dance, not use Rapai as accompaniment but only vowels. He then developed this sitting dance by mixing various dance movements from Aceh such as Ratoh Duek, Rateb Meusekat, Rapai Geleng, and Likok Pulo. It includes accompanying music, especially Rapai, which is controlled by Syahi, a musician who also acts as a vocalist. The name Ratoh Jaroe comes from the word Ratoh, which means dhikr, and Jaroe, which means hand. The combination of the two can be translated as dhikr while playing hand movements or dancing. The Ratoh Jaroe dance represents the spirit and elegance of Aceh's women who are known to be tough for a long time, courageous, never give up, never back down, militant, and very compact with each other.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. Ashhadu an la أشهد أن لا الله الله أغثنا يا رسول الله يا عظيم الجاه عليك صلوات الله 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 أغثنا يا رسول الله يا عظيم الجاه عليك صلوات الله.
Baitur Rahman Grand Mosque is a symbol of religion, culture, spirit, strength, struggle, and nationalism of the Acehese people. This mosque is a landmark in BANDA Aceh since the era of the Aceh Sultan and survived the tsunami disaster on December 29, 2004. In the past, this mosque was burned down by the Dutch during an attack in Kutaraja, Banda Aceh on April 10, 1873. the collapse of the mosque building triggered the outbreak of resistance from the Aceh's people. They fought to defend the mosque to death. During this battle, the Dutch lost their commander, Major General Johan Herman Rudolf Kohler, on April 14, 1873. The mosque building was later rebuilt by the Dutch on the order of General van Heijden. The rebuilding of his mosque was part of an effort to reduce the resistance of the Aceh's people to Dutch colonialism. The process of rebuilding Baitur Rahman Grand Mosque took place from 1879 until 1881.
On 26 December 2004, an earthquake measuring 9.1 on the Richter scale broke the Indian Ocean off the coast of North Sumatra, Indonesia. The quake triggered a devastating tsunami that hit coastal area in several countries. More than 230,000 people died. Millions more lost their shelter. One of the worst effect area was Lokma, near Banda Aceh. The city is almost level to the ground, but a miracle happened. A mosque building stood tall in the middle of the destruction. Some of a person believe in the power of saving Rahmatullah Mosque. This mosque witnessed the enormity of the tsunami waves that devastated